Hi, this is AliShanMao, and in this video I'm going to show you the new camera mount that I have been working on recently, and this is basically designed for the helicopters and possibly for quadcopters as well. It might affect the CG of a small helicopter or small quadcopter because it can fit easily on, like, say, Lotus RC that you see in the background, this kind of, this big quadcopters, and possibly a 500 size helicopter as well. It can actually fit on 450 as well, but it will disturb the CG because it's retractable. So that means when the helicopter is on the ground, it's retracted, and when the helicopter is flying, you can retract it down. Let me bring the camera closer and show you, because in the background, if I show you like this, you actually won't see clearly what it is. So let me find a good background. It's also very, very dark. It's raining and I'm just tired of sitting at home because I want to test this one, and there's no way I can go out. Especially, I want to test my channeling Dare system, which is sitting there. Anyway, so let's see what it is. Okay, here it is that you see in my hand, and this little camera mount is actually roll is stabilized, and of course the tilt is stabilized, right? So it's like rolling, so it can stay at one place, and of course if helicopter go forward or backward, lean forward or backward, it will also stabilize. I also added the 360-degree turn, like here, which actually works very well, and the retract. So basically when it's fit, it's like this on the helicopter, like it's on the nose front, and then when you want the helicopter is in the air, it will actually retract down. Let me actually set it up and show it to you. Alright, now let's say this is it. It's fit on the helicopter this way, helicopter is on the ground, and actually retracts down. Okay, once again, let's see. It just rolls up, so it's actually sitting in front of the nose camera looking top at the sky, and when the helicopter is in the air, it retracts down, so camera is looking at front. Alright, now let's connect the 360-degree turn, which I do not plan to use in fact, but hey, it's worth showing you here. So here it is, the 360-degree turn. So you can see the 360-degree actually works very well. But actually I'm not going to use it because having a helicopter or a quadcopter, you don't have to have the 360. You can actually yaw your quadcopter or helicopter completely itself for 360-degree turn. But later, if it is needed, we will actually give it a try. For now, we will just keep it on the retract and stabilization. For stabilization, of course, I'm using FY30A, so you can see. Actually, it does a very good job if you are tilting, if the helicopter is tilting left or right. And I still need to set the angle of that this servo here, like here, right here, this servo. I still have to set the angle, which after mounting on the helicopter, we will see. So if the helicopter is actually tilting left or right, it actually, you can see, balances very well. And forward and backward, you can see, it's actually getting to a very, very good angle. So basically, if I go, well, a helicopter is not gonna do that, but I'm just doing it to show you how the camera is going to be balanced to its horizontal position when flying. Now we are here, so basically you can see this 360-degree mount. I will simply remove it so that I can actually use this retract with 4 holes there and easily fix it under the fuselage or under the helicopter frame. Alright, after that, on top of this servo, I mounted this simple wooden piece to fix my FY30A stabilization system, and similarly on this side, on the camera mount where camera plate is, this side I can fit another receiver, so if somebody wants to control the camera manually, they can also do it. Well, for now I will just go with the stabilization. I have used, you can see the helicopter tail parts. This is the 450 helicopters metal pieces that we had sitting here in garage sale. I put them to good use. This is possibly the metal rotor head, you can see, and using the main grips and also a tail rotor system down here, it is actually doing a very good job. So this is your with this servo, you can see this is your roll, and using this servo, of course, you can see the whole camera can move up or down, looking forward or looking completely downwards. So actually, basically, I'm just gonna use these two servos to actually stabilize the camera and see what kind of footage we get. Basically, this one is designed to get a very small camera in the air, like GoPro or any Sony digital HD camera that I have recently seen. So stay tuned, and we will post more videos of this thing working and see how it will give us the aerial footage. And I completely forgot to mention, check it out. This is a Scorpion motor for a 600 size helicopter. It's a 630 kV motor, and here's a mount, custom mount, so I can actually convert my T-Rex 600 Nitro Pro Limited Edition into electric. And this motor, my friend says, don't go full throttle because this is just insane power. So worth a try if nobody wants to actually order the T-Rex 600. It's gonna go electric.